Good morning. We're going to make a simple quiche. Easy, anyone can make it. Flour for the crust, the best crust you can make. It's flaky and tender. Is for a 1 pie crust, it's 1 cup of flour, exactly measured. This is important. And a 1/4 cup plus 1 tablespoon of oil. I like to use avocado oil because it's really good for your heart. When you heat it up, it still stays healthy. And the only other 2 ingredients in the pie crust is a 1/8 of a cup plus 2 tablespoons of water and 1/2 teaspoon of salt. That's it. I'll mix it up and roll it out, and there you have it. Okay, we're going to gently stir in the flour and water and oil together. You mix it until it's just mixed, not over mixing, because then that will make the pie crust a little bit tough. So just until it's mixed, and then I'm going to roll it out between 2 sheets of wax paper. Super easy cleanup. There you have it. Also, so your wax paper doesn't get all bunched up and messed up, I'm going to put a little bit of water underneath it just to make it stick. It's kind of like its own little glue. Super easy. Just peel that off. And then you go around with your fingers and push 1 thumb up, this finger down. Thumb up, this finger down. Just like that. That's how you make the knife. Okay, now let's assemble our quiche. Easy. I have, about 2 cups of chopped artificial imitation crab meat. And Swiss chard. I cooked up some organic from the farmer's market, probably about a cup chopped. I've got about a cup of cheese, Chihuahua, any kind of cheese you feel in the mood for. And I sauteed about 1/2 an onion, 1/2 a small onion, some celery, a couple cloves of garlic, and I have sliced tomatoes to put on top. Oh, and organic dill. Easy, let's do it. 6 eggs, I beat up. So, let's put the eggs in the bowl. We're gonna mix these all up. I think, yeah, I wanna use all of that. Swiss chard. We're just gonna stir this all up. Pour it in our pie crust, top it with tomato slices, and bake it. Oh, and yes, milk. I'm just gonna eyeball it. I'm adding a little salt, Himalayan sea salt. Oh, and dill. I have about 3 tablespoons. I just eyeball stuff. You can't do anything wrong. Even if you haven't spent a lot of time in the kitchen, it's okay. It's easy, it's fun. You can't make mistakes. Just do something different every time if you like, or you can follow recipes. Looks like we came up with the right amount of ingredients. But if it was a little bit short, just add a little bit more milk. It's no biggie. Oh yeah, the tomatoes. Hibiscus from the garden. Okay, let's check our quiche. It usually cooks about an hour. I do the first 20 minutes or so on 375 and then turn it down to 350 to finish it out. Otherwise your crust gets too dark. So check it out. And you'll also tell if it's done by sticking a knife in the middle of it. I don't think it's quite done yet. Look, it's still quite wet, so let's give it some more time. We did good. Yay! Cheers!
Looks great. Salud.
Salud, mi amor.
Sunday brunch.
Cheers.
This video is brought to you by Cabos Finest, your insider's guide to Los Cabos.